Hi friends, in this video I'm going to tell you the best materials for GRE. Now this video is only confined to quant, right? So we are going to discuss what are the best resources you need to prepare for GRE quant. Now your first resource is going to be Spartans GRE YouTube videos, right? If you open this channel Spartans GRE, there you have to open with the playlist, right? Just go to the playlist. There you can see each and every chapter has a videos, right? And now if you click any playlist, there you will see videos like this. Now if you see our videos, so lengthy videos, these will be very lengthy videos. So I made these lengthy videos because I have delivered the concept in detail here, right? The concept is delivered in detail. Now your first target is first to finish these videos in playlist wise. So by the time you finish all these videos, you will be having lot of confidence, you will be having lot of knowledge, and your perception to solve questions will completely change. Now by the time you finish all these videos, definitely you will have some idea about how to approach for quant. Now your second resource is Spartans e-learning Android app. This is only for Android users, right? If you install this app, inside this app we have several categories. First thing is we have launched two courses, right? First one is 10 quant mocks, second one is geometry complete course. This geometry course comprises of geometry, coordinate geometry and mensuration as well. So all these three chapters are covered in these courses. So people who are very much interested in taking the courses can buy these courses. Now there are many free resources as well. Now if you go to study material section, here you can see different folders. Best GRE verbal material, best GRE quant material. If you open these materials, you'll be having PDFs that are very essential for GRE preparation. Just download these materials onto your desktop and start preparing from only those materials. That should be sufficient. You need not go for any other materials. Now these materials are exclusively Spartans GRE questions, right? So these will be of a very high standard. So people who are actually completed with these best materials, then they can go for our Spartans materials as well, right? These are for especially people aiming for perfect 170s, right? Now if you open any of our course 10 quant mocks, if you open this course, you will be having many free content inside this as well, right? So people can watch the free content whichever is there in this folder. Now this is about geometry. So this is just about lines, right? So you can see the videos here. These are paid videos and these will be free resources. You can watch them. Now the add-on for this is, for our app is, you have a chat option where only genuine aspirants will be there. Now you see any group, there will be many thousands or hundreds of aspirants, but most of them will be inactive and many of them will be spammers, right? So there will be a lot of distracting messages. But here there are people who only purchase our courses, right? There are two courses as of now. So people purchasing any of the course will be automatically getting added to their course whichever they subscribe, right? So you'll be having many subscribers in this group who are actually preparing for GRE. So you can always post your doubts in this group. You can also post the snapshots, so I can directly access your doubts, right? So whenever someone is not able to solve these questions, in my free time I'll be posting the solutions as well, right? I'll be responding to this chat. Now coming to the books you have to follow is, your first book will be your Manhattan 5LB, that too this book, practice problems book. This book PDF is already there in the app I have showed you earlier, right? So first book is this one. Your second book should be big book, right? So once you are done with these two books, third book should be this one, official guide. And next this is the fourth book. This is actually Chinese PDF which is having 240 questions. You have to finish this one as well. Once you are done with all these four books, then you start giving mocks. You watch this video. This is a video. If you go to the Spartans GRE channel, there you can see 43 mock test video, right? Now then watch this mock test video. You will be having links to 43 free mock tests, right? Apart from that, this is the higher standard mocks, right? We personally prepared many good questions, around 200 good questions, and we launched 10 mocks, 10 quant mocks, right? So this specialty of this 10 mocks is they are of high standard. So again, these are for people aiming for 170 scores, perfect 170 scores, right? So once you are done with this one, you can go with this, or first you can go with this and then you can go with this, right? So this is about mock section. Now once you are done with all these things, if you still have time, then go and solve this Magoosh 589 quant practice questions. But again, don't waste your time in solving easy questions. Just pick the harder ones and solve them, right? Now finally, To get updates from Spartans, you have to go to Telegram, type Spartans e-learning, then you will be directed to our channel. So once you join our channel, you will be getting many updates about the latest updates in GRE and the real GRE questions and the videos we post. All these updates will be posted there, right? Just follow these materials strictly and definitely you will succeed, right? Thank you.